What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about 8 reasons why you as an artist should release more music. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about 8 reasons why you as an artist should release more music. Hey, if you found this valuable, be sure to check out my website, mixedbygels.com, and download this exact ebook, man. You can have it for your record, along with the share it with your friends or other artists you may know. So look, enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer, man, and dive into this. Here are 8 reasons you should release more music. Number 1, consistency and visibility. Releasing music frequently helps you maintain a consistent presence in the music industry. It keeps you on the radar of your audience and increases the chances of being discovered by new listeners. Regular releases show that you are active, dedicated, and serious about your craft. This is so important for new artists, man. Release a lot of music. If you release one song then disappear until next year, then release another song 6 months later, that's not a good thing because fans have a hard time discovering you. You're not going to hit the algorithm. You're not feeding the fans that listen to you on the third day you drop that first initial song, then they got to wait a whole nother year till they get another record. No, feed your fans consistently. Number 2, fan anticipation. Releasing music consistently gives your fans something to look forward to. It keeps them engaged, excited, and connected to your artistic journey. Regular releases can help build a loyal fan base as fans anticipate and support your new music. This is pretty much self-explanatory, man. Keep feeding your fans. Artistic growth and development. Releasing a lot of music allows you to explore and experiment with different styles, genres, and creative ideas. It provides opportunities for growth and evolution as an artist, allowing you to refine your craft, discover your strengths, and learn from each release. This is major as well. You often hear a lot of artists from the beginning sound a lot different as they progress in their music career and when they finally blow up. You just try different things. You learn how to use your voice as an instrument. The only way to do that is with practice. And with practice comes new records, come new releases. Number 4, feedback and learning. Releasing music frequently provides a valuable feedback loop. Each release allows you to gather feedback from listeners, reviewers, and industry professionals. Analyzing the response to your music helps you understand what resonates with your audience, what works well, and what you can improve upon in future releases. This is big, but the biggest thing to remember about the feedback is to not be emotional. I know we all are serious about our art. We all care a lot about our art. But you also have to listen to the fans. You also have to listen to the listeners, man. They're not always hating. They're not always trying to stop you from shining. Sometimes they're trying to give you the real. And listen to that real. Listen to that feedback. It can eventually help you grow as an artist and advance your career. Number 5, playlist placements and algorithmic discoverability, man. This is big. Playlists, both curated and algorithmic, have become vital for the music industry. Releasing a lot of music increases your chances of securing playlist placements as you have more opportunities to catch the attention of playlist curators and algorithms. This exposure can significantly expand your reach and introduce your music to new listeners. As we all know, man, playlists are big on every streaming platform, YouTube, anywhere you could play music, they have playlists. Why not release more music to increase your chances of getting on these playlists? Marketing and promotional opportunities. Releasing a substantial catalog of music gives you more material to market and promote. Each release could be an opportunity to generate buzz, attract media attention, and pitch for interviews, features, and playlist placements. It provides more content to share on social media, engage your audience, and reach out to industry professionals. This one is pretty much self-explanatory. Adaptation to changing trends. This is big right here, man. We know the music industry changes. It doesn't stay the same. Sounds change, beats upgrade. A lot of things change. The music industry is dynamic and constantly evolving. Releasing a lot of music allows you to stay current and adapt to changing trends. It gives you the flexibility to experiment with the different sounds and styles, aligning your music with the current preferences of your audience and the industry. This is big right here. You often see a lot of artists, they may record a song, let's say, in 2020. It's now 2023. They go to release that song, and it just seems outdated. The beats sound old. The sounds sound old. They've improved as an artist. Microphones have gotten better. It just sounds outdated. You want to release a lot of music just so you can keep on brand, keep on trend. Revenue generation. This is big, man. Number 8. We all like that money. We all trying to get that paper. Number 8, revenue generation. Releasing a lot of music increases your opportunities for revenue generation. Each release expands your catalog, providing more content for streaming royalties, digital sales, licensing, merchandise sales, and live performances. Diversifying your revenue streams through multiple releases can contribute to a substantial income as an independent artist. Remember, while releasing a lot of music can offer advantages, it's crucial to maintain quality and ensure that each release receives proper attention and promotion. Find a balance that suits you and your creative output, resources, and audience engagement, and adapt your release strategy accordingly. Yes, sir. Like I said, man, those are some great reasons why you should be releasing more music as an artist. Releasing more quality music is no way that it can hurt you. It can only help you. Hey, let's talk about that in the comments below. Are you releasing a lot of music? If you are, how is that helping you? If you aren't releasing a lot of music, what's your reason why? Is it finances or something like that? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Let's help our fellow artists get better. Like I said, you can download this complete ebook on my website, mixedbygels.com, man. Hey, do me a favor. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Hey, it's your boy Gels. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.